Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are picking apples, and yeah.
This is what kind of apple is that? You have to tell them what kind of apple.
It's Gold Rush apples. They're very sweet
And crunchy.
and crunchy too.
Oh, the train went by. They have a passenger train over here. All right, let's go look at over there a little bit. And this one, Liam. No, that's the wrong one. That's not the Gold Rush.
Oh,
It's okay, we can take it. This is for pineapple.
I just thought.
This, yeah. So this is when they ripe is on October. When they ripe, oh look at this, honey, right here. You see all these are sunburn right here. That's a sweet one. We always pick that sunburn one. Yep. So these two too. If you grab one, mommy grab one. Here you go. Yeah, this is the best. They're very crunchy, sweet, and also a little bit tart, like a citrusy flavor in it. Oh my goodness, it's so fun! I'm getting excited over fruit. I love it. So we're gonna make some here you go. We're gonna make some dry dehydration. So we're gonna dry them. Look at Daddy pick apple. Here you go, Liam. Everybody should have the kid come outside, pick some fruit, pick some apple, enjoy outside the fresh air. It's kind of a little bit chilly, but it's fine. That's a good one. Oh my goodness, look all this guy. They have all kind of apple here. Yep, all kind of apple. They also have tomato, they have some pumpkin over there, but this row right here, all different kind of apple. So, right, Liam? Okay, so we're gonna go help Daddy picking apple. Alright, bye bye. If you guys like it, don't forget like and subscribe. Baby help us out. And yeah, we know that we want everybody, encourage everybody to come outside and enjoy outside. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful thing is outside.